So we're here with Michelle Bowman, my wife, and she's exhibiting. Tell us a bit more about Young Living.
Hi, so all of you care a lot about our environment and you care about our world and saving our planet, but what a lot of you may not know is that in 1976, Congress actually passed an act called the Toxic Substance Control Act, which grandfathered in between 63,000 and 100,000 chemicals that are allowed to be put in ingredients, and they were not tested, and they're actually protected by this act that manufacturers do not even have to divulge the secrets of what are in their ingredients. And this includes thousands of toxic chemicals that are in our homes, and Young Living is the solution to that, because Young Living has come out with the highest quality essential oils on the planet. These actually have been tested not only in-house but third-party tested to ensure that they are the highest quality, and they have their seed to seal approval that everything that goes into not only the essential oils but into all of the products that you see here and many other products that are safe for you and they're safe for your family. You don't have to worry about all of those ingredients that haven't been tested. You can feel safe and assured that if you're using the hand sanitizer, for example, which is a really big deal right now because hand sanitizers are being recalled by the FDA for a lot of toxic substances, or if you're using these household products, for example, in your home, or even the CBD line, you can be really safe and secure knowing that what you're putting in your body and your children's bodies is safe and completely toxic free.